I want to know what's one area of the solar industry that has been overlooked, it's underserved, and you think it's attractive for startups.
O&M, operations and maintenance of existing residential solar assets. You know, this is not a huge problem yet, but I think it's gonna become an increasingly bigger issue because, as you might remember, you know, starting about 7-8 years ago with Sunrun and Solar City and Sungevity and all the, I'll call them the Wall Street and Silicon Valley VC funded solar solutions, which they were great for the industry because they really expanded the space very rapidly. Their solution, which was a lease-based product or PPA-based product, which is third-party owned, was not necessarily the best thing economically for the homeowner, but it was easy to sell and good enough for the homeowners to buy into. And their market share of these third-party owned solutions went from like 20-30% to 80% from maybe 8-9 years ago until 3-4 years ago. But what's also happened in the meantime is that homeowners have realized that it's actually way more economical and much smarter to own the systems if they want to just learn a little bit more about these systems. And also, on average in America, houses change hands every 7 years. And when that happens, that third-party ownership usually gets folded into the house purchase. So the homeowners actually end up owning these things, even though they were initially sold as third-party owned solutions. So I don't know to what extent that will be a challenge for Sunrun's business model. But the bigger question is what's going to happen to the homeowners when a third party is not responsible for owning and operating that asset, which is happening a lot. And so that, I think, will become a big opportunity. And there's a company called Stable Solar that's been focusing on that space too, that I've been helping.
Snuck in a fourth. Nice work.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks. That's super, super helpful. Appreciate you weighing in. And I think we should make this a regular thing.
Great. Thanks, Brian.